Today I am going to climb up Mount LeConte and you're going to join me. This is the car park. It's now only 7:40 AM in the morning and already the car park's full. There's a secondary car park just down there, but if you're going to do this climb, I advise you to start early. Just seen a bear on the way. The bear ran away. There are plenty of bears around here, but this trail is hiked quite often. I would advise you to bring bear spray, but I don't think bears are going to be a problem today. So shortly we'll set off. Alright, so off we go. The first part is apparently gentle for a mile or so. Very pretty. We're going over a bridge here and we'll just follow the ridge until we get to Arch Rock, where you and I will pick it up later as we go. So most of this first bit will be fairly quiet, I would think. So the first attraction on your way here is this naturally formed archway, which has some very steep steps going up it, as you can see. I'm just watching him go over because it's quite a good visual, you know. Now, I've climbed this mountain once before, but when I did, it was very misty. But today, I'm going to be able to see some lovely views, which I'm really looking forward to. And up here, I think, is one of them. Let's get over this rock. Look at that. Amazing. Now, if you're getting tired as you get near the summit here, then here is something just to press you forward a little bit. I don't think I've got far to go now. Good. So after you've been up to the top, you can always have a little diversion here at the lodge. Of course, some people spend the night here, and I think it's about $150 a night, but somebody will tell me I'm wrong. But they've got a dining hall and all sorts of other little things here. I'm not spending the night here. I'm spending the night in Gatlinburg. But it looks pretty cute. We're just going to go back up there afterwards. So that was Mount LeConte. Here is the sign. It's 5 miles to the lodge, and a couple of things to say about the whole expedition, I think, up to Mount LeConte, because that's what it feels like right now, but mountain climb really. The first mile or so is really quite comfortable, and then you get just past that, there's the arches. That's the first thing, and then after that you make your way up to the bluff. Now a lot of people turn around at the bluff, but I would strongly recommend that what you do is carry on, because really the best views are in the second half of the hike. And once you get to the lodge, do not just stop at the lodge, go up to the cliff tops, and there you'll see some magnificent scenery. So it's a highly rewarding hike. Probably take you about 4 hours if you're reasonably fit. Don't do it if you're very unfit or you're afraid of heights, yeah, because there is some bits where you have to scramble across some rocks holding onto a cable. But if you really want a hike that shows you magnificent ecosystems, magnificent views, and makes it feel very rewarding, then that is the definite one for you. Now that's the end of this, but hang around for a laugh at my expense at the end of this, because I'm going to show you something funny when I get back to the hotel. Thank you. So I'm back at my hotel. Just going to have a dip in the pool now. I feel like it. But I said I promised you a laugh at my expense, and here it is. So on the way down, my pants ripped as I was scrambling over some rocks, right in the sort of crotch area and at the back. And that's pretty, good job it didn't happen on the way up, because no one wanted to be following that. It would make them feel both horrified and inadequate at the same time. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.